In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import data from Trello in monday.com. If you're moving your workflow from Trello to monday.com, or you just want to bring in some existing Trello boards to keep everything in one place, this process is actually very straightforward. I'll walk you through exactly what to click, what to look out for, and a few tips to make the transition smoother. First, make sure you're logged into your monday.com account and that you're on the main workspace view, not deep inside a specific board. This makes it easier to find the menu you'll need. Once you're ready, look to the top right corner of your screen. You'll see your profile icon there. It might be your initials, a small avatar, or a generic user icon, depending on how your account is set up. Click on that profile icon. A drop-down menu will appear with several options related to your account and settings. In that menu, look for the option labeled Import Data. This is a central place monday.com uses to bring in information from other tools and platforms. Go ahead and click on Import Data. You'll now be taken to the import area where monday.com shows you different services and file types you can import from. Among these options, look for Trello. It should appear as one of the integration sources, often with the Trello logo to make it easier to spot. Click on the Trello option to start the import process. Once you've selected Trello, the rest of the setup is guided by on-screen prompts. Typically, monday.com will ask you to connect to your Trello account. This may involve logging into Trello or confirming that monday.com is allowed to access your Trello boards. Carefully review any permission messages, then approve them so that your data can be imported. After connecting, you'll usually be asked which Trello boards you want to import. Take a moment here to choose only the boards that you actually need. Importing fewer, more relevant boards can help keep your monday.com workspace organized and easier to manage. Follow each prompt, confirm your selections, and let monday.com handle the transfer. When the import finishes, your Trello boards will appear as boards in monday.com. It's a good idea to quickly review them, check that your tasks, lists, and basic structure look correct, and then make any small adjustments you need within monday.com's interface. And that's it. By clicking your profile icon, selecting Import Data, choosing Trello, and following the on-screen prompts, you can smoothly bring your Trello data into monday.com and continue your work.